In this tutorial, we use DynamicPDF Converter to convert a Word document to PDF. DynamicPDF Converter allows converting from over 50 different document formats to PDF. Document formats include Excel, Word, images, and many other input formats, including Word. In this tutorial, we convert Word to PDF. Note that Word is required in order to complete this example. So let's get started. Open Visual Studio to create a new project. Select Console App, .NET Core for the project template. Name the project Word to PDF Example. Click Create. Add the Converter NuGet package. cete.dynamicpdf.converter.net. Install. OK. Accept. Add the conversion using statement. Using cete.dynamicpdf.conversion. Remove the console.writeLine statement. Create a new instance of Word conversion options. In the constructor, set the Boolean value to false. This tells the options that we are not appending to an existing document. Before continuing, let's look at the Word document. In order to convert Word to PDF, you must have Word installed on the machine that's running the application. Note that we set the margins as 0.5 inches. Now, we're going to change the margins in our PDF document. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that while the Word document is in inches, the PDF document is in points. Let's add some new margins for our PDF documents we will convert to. But first, let's set the author to John Doe. Set the top margin to 144 points, or 2 inches. Set the remaining margins to 72 points, or 1 inch. Create a new instance of the Word Converter class, and in the constructor, pass the path to the Word document and the options. Call the convert method and pass the path to the PDF document we're going to output. Run the application. Open the generated PDF and note the document's margins match what we specified. Also note the PDF properties contains the author's name. As you can see from this simple example, using DynamicPDF Converter to convert Word documents to PDF is easy and intuitive. DynamicPDF Converter for .NET allows any .NET developer to dynamically convert over 50 file types to PDF. The example in this tutorial, Word, is just one of those 50 file types. For support, refer to our support page. There you will find forums, user manuals, examples, or you can email us. With so many features and a free trial edition, why not try DynamicPDF Converter today? I'm James at DynamicPDF reminding you, when you think PDF, think DynamicPDF. See you next time.